Hello and welcome back to Coding PAWNS, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks to help you succeed in your online journey. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income online, and in this video, we'll show you how. Topic No. 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a marketing model where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can promote products through your blog, social media, or email list. It's an effective way for businesses to reach a wider audience, and for affiliates to earn passive income. Topic number 2. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Getting started with affiliate marketing is easy. You can sign up with various affiliate programs, such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. Choose products that align with your niche or interests, and create content around those products. You can promote products through your blog, social media, or email list. Topic No. 3. Tips for earning money through affiliate marketing. To maximize your earnings through affiliate marketing, there are a few tips you can follow. First, choose products that align with your niche or interests. Second, create valuable content around those products, such as product reviews or tutorials. Third, promote products through multiple channels, such as your blog, social media, and email list. Fourth, track your progress and optimize your strategy for better results. Topic No. 4. Conclusion and final thoughts. So, there you have it, guys. Our guide on how to earn money through affiliate marketing. While it may take some time and effort to see results, it's a great way to earn passive income online. Remember to choose products that align with your niche, create valuable content, and promote products through multiple channels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to succeed in your online journey. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.